Yan na lang. Sige, tapos na. Okay.
Okay, Dad. Come on. No.
Fish! Look at this fish. Fish. Madilim?
Hindi. Tama lang.
Hindi madilim.
Hindi. Tama lang. Against na. Pabuksan mo yan.
Tama na, Alice. Kasi malilate na kayo eh. Bye! Bye everybody from Michigan. Say bye. Can you say bye to your grandma? Bye. Bye-bye. Salute. Bye, salute. Hello. Oh, yeah. Yes. What? What? No, my cousin is leaving now. Huh? They spend the night here. No, it's kind of late. Because we went to El Centro. I'll show them El Centro. Oh, yeah. The phone is tangled. You know the cord. Huh? Yeah. She's recording it in the video. I was fixing the cord. Oh well, I can't fix it. It's thing. Yeah. Oops. Wait. No, Brandon. No, because Virgil recorded something to send it to Chris in Saudi Arabia. What? Why? Okay. Don't show my legs.
Kapulo-pulupot na sa binti. Yan. Yan ang tinitignan ko.
They're ready to go now. Yeah, I'll call you back. Okay, bye. See Mike.